Hi, this is a tutorial for Nico. This is a sequencer that I have built for him. And so Nico, I think you're going to like it a lot. And it's quite easy to operate. And I'll just take you through it. So we have the power on. Okay, we have mute. We have hold. And the purpose of hold, well, there can be a couple of reasons for using hold, but generally, if you want to tune up a new sequence, you'll turn on hold, you'll hit the reset button. That goes back to first step. And then you'll use the gold knob to tune it. And then as soon as that one's tuned, you go to the next one and tune that one, and so forth. So I'll release that. And of course, you've got forward and reverse. And legato and staccato. And your clock speed. And above those, you've got your step switches here. And each of those is a three-way switch, on, off, and reset. The first one doesn't really do anything when you hit reset. So the second one, if you want to just have a one step, you would hit the reset. And once it finishes the cycle, it gets to that one. Now if you're in staccato mode, you'll get a beeping on that. And then if you want a fourth step, you would reset the fifth switch so that when it gets to 4, it resets. Here's a 3-step. If you want to turn off steps, you can do that by putting the switch in the center. If you want a note to play a longer note, a note to play longer, you would tune 2 or more of your steps to the exact same note, and then that note will play an extra step or beat. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy it. It's been a labor of love, Nico. You've been awesome, so patient, and I thank you for that. And I truly hope you have a lot of fun with this. Thanks, buddy.